Bugatti announced late last year that it had opened a bespoke customization program to cater to the wildest whims of its wealthiest customers. Called Sur Mesure, the customization program offers limitless ways of refining your new Bugatti to the exact tastes that your particular brand of style may demand, and was born of the numerous demands placed upon the Molsheim factory by its exceptionally rich customers. Even before the Sur Mesure program was officially launched, we saw some spectacular creations, including a Divo called the Ladybug and a Chiron named Alice. Now, as the first deliveries of the Bugatti Chiron Supersport get underway, the French hypercar manufacturer reveals that another custom creation has been commissioned. The owner of this shocking specification is, as always, unnamed. Whoever it is, their taste is certainly unique and has culminated in what Bugatti has dubbed the Vagues de Lumière paintwork, which is made up of a hand-painted pattern intended to mimic the way light reflects off the hypercar's curves. The design reminds us of the Veyron Grand Sport by Tesla Blanc, although that car featured a white body with dark blue accents, and this is an altogether different beast, with light orange detailing cascading over light blue bodywork. Naturally, the cabin is just as attention-grabbing and is the kind of place where you never want to see a child sitting with a scoop of gelato. As well as revealing the bespoke creation, Bugatti also announced that Chiron Supersport deliveries have begun and that all build slots have now been reserved, with an extensive waiting list should any open up. As you may remember, this special new model was revealed in June of last year with a thoroughly overhauled version of the brand's unique 8-liter W16 engine that produces 1,578 horsepower and can take the hypercar to over 273 miles per hour. It's extremely exciting to be witnessing the first customer units of the Chiron Supersport come together within our atelier, commented Bugatti president Christophe Piachin. Now that the Supersport is on its way out the door, we feverishly await the next new model to be announced, which will happen very soon if a recent teaser is anything to go by.